Welcome to my home lab. This video, we're going to create a file system and share folders on Open Media Vault with only one disk. We start the video on the website Open Media Vault documentation, plugins. We go down and we're going to use sharerootfs. Provide shared directories on root file system. We have also the GitHub account with sharerootfs with the code. We are logged in and at the dashboard from Open Media Vault 8. See it here. If we go to storage, you see we only have one disk. I want to create a file system on that disk and shared folders. So if we go to file system, we have here mount an existing file system or create a new file system. It doesn't work. Show you. I want to create. You see, I cannot select a file system. If we go to create and mount file system, ext4 example, again, I cannot create a device. The root device cannot be selected here. We go back to system, plugins, and look for sharerootfs. You see here, Open Media Vault sharerootfs. By default, the root file system is hidden in Open Media Vault and cannot be used to create shared folders on it. With this plugin, it's possible. So we select it, install it, confirm, yes, it's only take a minute, et voila. End of line, no errors, everything is okay. We can close it. And we have the plugin installed. If we go now to storage, again, disk, I only have one. File system. You see here, we have our file system from our one disk. So if we go back, you see device SDA. If we go to file system, you see device SDA2. The swap file cannot be used here. It's available and mounted. The next step is to create shared folders. On the shared folders, we're going to create 2 new folders. Create. We give it a name. The first one, home. We select a file system. The relative path is automatically. For now, administrator read-write, users read-write, others only read. We leave it like that. And we give it a tag, home. Save. And apply. Yes. It's only a minute. Et voilà. We have our first shared folder. Home. dev/sda2. The path is home. Absolute path is also home. It's not referenced. Our tag, and it's available. We want to create a second one. Data. Again, the file system. The relative path is data. Again, the permissions, we leave it like it is. And the tag is data. Et voilà. Save it. And apply. Yes. Et voilà. We have 2 shared folders on our one disk in the Open Media Vault server. In the next video, we're going to create a link to the network and make this 2 shared folders available for a Windows or a Linux PC. Before we end this video, we're going to create an SSH connection to our Open Media Vault server. So SSH root 192.168.129.120. Enter the password. This is the root password. Et voilà, we are inside. We go to the root directory and do ls all. And you see we have our data directory and our home directory. Both are root and the group users. Root users. We are at the end of this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up or leave a comment. Thank you very much and see you later.